Guys, welcome to the channel. So I've got a driveway today. I'll show you in a minute. So I'm using the Wilks Pressure Washer 750i. I'll pop a link below if you want to check that out. I'm going to try and film it all, but I think I need to buy another battery for the camera because this one doesn't last too long, but I'll give it a go anyway. Either way, I'll give you a pretty good run. I'll film a bit on my phone if I have to, and I'll give you before and after at the end, so stick around at the end anyway. If that sounds like it's for you, because I'm going to basically upload and film all my driveway cleans and resanding. I've got a resanding video for you as well, you can check that out. But yeah, so I hope you like the video anyway. I know this is a bit of a ramble, but I'm going to crack on anyway and hopefully get some decent filming for you. Right, hope you enjoy. Right, so you can probably tell there's not much water on the surface really, but it's dipping slightly towards the house and towards the drive. So I think what I'm going to do is after each section, each strip, just sweep the water off, sweep the rest of it off, and then give it one big rinse at the end and see how we get on. It's not going into the garage, there's a little ridge just to stop it actually going in, but I'm forever looking behind us and I'm a bit paranoid about it, so I think that's what I'll do anyway, so that's my plan. that's half the drive done. Hopefully I'm getting some decent footage of it. If anyone's watching this, and obviously you've been doing it for years now, this is only my second driveway, and obviously I'm learning on the job a little bit. It's coming up lovely. I think I'm doing a decent job, but if any of you have got any tips or anything, just drop them in the comments below. Anything you say that I'm doing wrong, or I could be doing something a little bit quicker or easier or something, just pop them below. It's really appreciated. So I'll get cracking with the second half. Right, hi guys, so filming on my phone here, so hope the audio's not too bad. Obviously I'm an absolute mess. I'm sure other people who do it on YouTube aren't as messy as this, but there we are. Driveway's all done. There's a couple of hollows which I've brushed and brushed. Honestly, those ones you can see there in the background, I'll turn you around in a minute, but I must have brushed those about 10 times, but they're going to have to do it to clean water anyway, so there shouldn't be any sediment. Come back in a couple of days because they're a bit sort of puddled. I'll come back in probably 2 days to resand, and I'll film that as well. So yeah, anyone who's wondering about the jet wash, the Wilks 750i, whatever it is, I'll put it on the screen. It's really good. It's probably a little bit slow compared to like high-end machines. It's kind of a mid-range one. So like, you know, I'm a gardener, so I'm just sort of branching out a little bit just over the winter, just to try and you know, keep us ticking over kind of thing. And I've got a few more booked in as well, so it seems to be pretty good. But I'll turn you around now so you can have a good look. So you're seeing all that sludge there, so I'm just going to tidy all that up. I've got some, what do you call them, the tubs, flexi tub things, so I'll just brush all that up and put that in there, and that's me done. So be kind in the comments. I'm probably not got the best technique or the best method or whatever, but I know, like, hope you can see it on the camera, it's come up really nice here. So yeah, I'm happy with it anyway. Customer's happy, and I'll get that resanded in a few days. Hi guys, so a couple of days later, it's nice and dry now. It's looking lovely, so I'm just going to get this resanded. Right guys, I'm all done. Second driveway clean ever, so it's come out really nice. I'll show you in a minute, but the customer's car is on the drive, so I'll try not to get the reg number in and stuff. But yeah, really happy with it. Customer's over the moon. There's a guy just down the road as well, just asked us to if I could do his as well, so hopefully that's another job there for us. So I'll show you now. Be nice in the comments. I know it's come up nice, but this is social media. Thanks for watching guys, I'll turn you around now.